Many helpers don't realize they're burnt out until their bodies start forcing them to slow down. If you work in social services, healthcare, you're the one everyone leans on, these might feel familiar. You forget small things, appointments, tasks, conversations, not because you're careless, your brain is overloaded from carrying everyone else's stress. Things that normally wouldn't bother you suddenly feel overwhelming. You feel irritable, exhausted, or emotionally drained. Small problems feel huge. Your nervous system stays in constant survival mode. Yet you still care so deeply about your clients or the people you serve, but the weight of responsibility starts following you home. You begin dreading shifts even though you love the work. Ladies, burnout often shows up through overeating or not eating, poor sleep, low energy, difficult focusing. Your body is trying to cope. You start pulling away from people not because you don't care, but because you're simply too exhausted to give anymore. Household responsibilities feel overwhelming, meal planning, relationships, family time, rest, everything starts stacking up, and slowly, you begin losing connection with yourself. For many helpers, burnout eventually becomes physical. For me, it showed up as exhaustion, stress symptoms, and realizing something important. Most of us, and most of the pressure I was carrying, came from outside expectations, but my inner strength hadn't been rebuilt enough to carry it, so the real healing journey began. Healing burnout is rarely just one thing. For me, it included prayer and scripture, reconnecting with nature and gardening, beekeeping and quiet time, counseling and mentorship, physiotherapy, movement, swimming, and community support. And little by little, my vitality returned. Crisis will always exist in this world, ladies, but where we place our energy determines whether we survive it or grow through it. Vitality returns when we simplify life, build inner awareness, care for our body, mind, and spirit. Real wisdom is rarely complicated. It's usually simple truths learned through experience. Ladies, if you're a helper rebuilding your strength, Northern Hive is the community I created for that. It's a space for women in helping professions and elders to reconnect with themselves, rebuild balance, and support each other. You can explore this community with a 3-day free trial. Link is in bio. Support, like, comment, get engaged. Stay blessed, ladies.